What is a double top? A double top is an extremely bearish technical reversal pattern that forms after an asset reaches a high price 2 consecutive times with a moderate decline between the two highs. It is confirmed once the asset's price falls below a support level equal to the low between the two prior highs. What does a double top tell you? A double top signals a medium or long-term trend change in an asset class. The chart above shows a double top pattern that formed in the stock between September and October 2018 around a price of $2,050. The important support level in this case formed around $1,880. Despite the stock falling nearly 8% from October peak to support at $1,880, one could not confirm the double top until after the stock fell below $1,880. From that point forward, the shares went on to plunge almost 31% further. The difference between a double top and a failed double top. There is indeed a significant difference between a double top and one that has failed. A real double top is an extremely bearish technical pattern which can lead to an extremely sharp decline in a stock or asset. However, it is essential to be patient and identify the critical support level to confirm a double top's identity. Basing a double top solely on the formation of 2 consecutive peaks could lead to a false reading and cause an early exit from a position.